Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Iceberg views. I'm going to connect to Polaris catalog. Then now every catalog supports the Iceberg views, part of Iceberg 1.170 version. Okay, I'm going to walk through step by step why we need a views. Of course, generally in any database we create a views. If you want to do summaries, multi-table join, and then the views can be used in any reporting. So that way, then you have a pre-built view, and then you can execute it from any of the front-end system. These are not materialized views; these are dynamic views here. Okay. I'm going to start my Polaris catalog Spark session here, and my Polaris URI credentials. And then even though this REST supports the credential vending, however, there are some bugs related to orphan files delete and all that stuff. For that, you need to provide the access to the bucket. Okay. So I'm going to compile my method. Then I'm going to execute Spark session. Then I got this Spark session here. Then I'm going to use my sales database here. My catalog name is Ambari Prod, and then the namespace is sales here. Okay. Then I want to show the tables first. Right. Let's actually go up. Show tables. Okay. I have one table and describe the table. Okay. And you can look at the table definition, DDL and all the stuff. Execute the table, get the data here. Okay. Now I'm going to see if I have any views. Right now I don't have any views. So if, just in case, if there is a views, we just drop views here, drop view. And then this is my, the session catalog name and then actual namespace. And then, so I'm going to create a view. So a simple view, right? Select count star from then my base table, create as a RTF view, and you can do multi-table join and all complicated views. Then I'm going to do select on my view. Okay, I have 42 rows, so that's why it's simple count. Okay, and then I'm going to insert additional rows into my base table, right? So I'm going to select star into the base table from the base table. Now let's look at the count. Okay, inserted. Let's look at the count. I did multiple times. So then I ran multiple times. So then this is my count of the table. Now let's validate that. Right here, the you can check on the counts of the base table. Okay, let's get into here. Let's check the count on the base table. Okay. 168. The view also showing the 168. So nice to have views, right? And you can, as I said, multi-table join views and other stuff. The common question I've been asked many times: can we run time travel on views? Hey, let's say, for example, this is a direct view on a single base table. Okay, if it is a multi-table join, definitely it's difficult to run time travel. But can I run the time travel on the views, right? So let's see. Okay, let's run this. Okay, and basically I'm running the snapshots, right? And on the base table. And these are my snapshot IDs. Let's run the time travel as of now here, system time. Okay, and let's do count rather than let's do run the count. Okay, so here we're talking about initially we have only 42 rows, right? Let's run the time travel based on this one. Okay. Now you will see 168. Let's run the time travel of this, right, as of the, right? Okay. 84. Now let's run the time travel on view, right? So now let's take this time, right? Or maybe any of the, let's say we created a view here, okay? And the time travel on the view, right? Now you get an error saying that all views is not a table. So a time travel can only executed on Iceberg tables, not on Iceberg views. And this is a common, multiple times I've seen in the Apache Slack, Apache Iceberg Slack. And then I have this guys call me, hey, can we create a views? And yes, then can we run a time travel on this views? No, we cannot run time travel on the views. Views are dynamic, useful for building your summary table, summary data, right? And for your for analytics, but this is a nice feature. In the future, Iceberg will be introducing materialized views, but we will look at that at that time. So look at Ambari Cloud, Open Lakehouse, one-way recipe book. I documented all the step-by-step procedure here. And then there is a lot of Polaris catalog example, how to configure Polaris catalog, RBAC and all the stuff. Look at it. And any questions, reach out to me, skondapalli@ambaricloud.com. Thank you. Bye now.